Hi friends, this is Selva. Subscribe this channel. Day by day we are IT related content videos uploaded. Okay, just subscribe this channel. When I try to open my Outlook, is getting a toolbar hide options there. Okay, toolbar is not available in contents here. Home here it is automatically not came. Yes, option is there here. Auto hide mean auto hide, no toolbars. And again option, second option is there. You want show tags mean is get it here, this like. And show tool and commands, click it, you will get it everything here. Okay, this mostly these problems comes in our Outlook places. For unfortunately you click it that option, so we get it problem this like hide toolbar hide options. This is a option for toolbar appearance, get appearance. Okay, tool you want to you fix it your toolbar settings here. Day by day uploaded IT related content videos. Subscribe this channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.